Don't eat. Little one. Sorry. Okay. You're weird. You're weird. I'm hyper.
I know. Mariel's hyper.
Sorry.
You lost her temper.
Mariel's scaring me.
Maybe I should put
This was eraser. Did you say hi, pee-pee?
She said hi, baby. Where is she?
Down there.
I don't see her.
Right there.
Oh, I think I have to move. Hi, Miley.
This is Jimmy Johnson, famous football coach, sportscaster, and news person for Extents. And this is Kevin Huff. We're here to tell you about Extents, our number one
Mariel, what are you
the
doing?
simple tablet that can maximize. You know, Jimmy, I think most of the people watching know.
Are you gonna get on the Titanic?
It's on TV.
Are you gonna get on the Titan? No, the
Yes, the Titan.
No, not the Titan. The Texas Giant. No, not the Texas Giant. The Superman.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get on it.
It's about maximizing
You have
what
to.
you
No. Alright, scary. It's too high.
It's fun.
Ow! Marielle, that hurt.
Sorry.
Ow! Oh, she threw at me.
Sorry.
My sister's thingy.
Can I see it? What kind of thing?
Give me it. Don't. Dang, I should have caught that.
Alicia. That's my good brush.
That's her good brush, Alicia.
Come find it.
It's down there. Miley's gonna about to chew it up.
Go. I'm not kidding, Alicia. Get it. Bomb. Get it now.
Get it straight.
1-800-280-2000.
What is this?
Eyeliner.
280-2000.
You didn't tell me how to like good one.
Look, I have two.
Is it blue?
Purple. I got a purple and black one. Mary.
Huh?
Zoopy. Soup. Hey, look at that lady. She's hot.
I hate these commercials. Ew.
She's an A cup.
I'm not gonna show that.
Huh?
I'm not gonna show that.
Mariel wants to be on that team.
No, wait. That's too much.
Girl. 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 Girl.
Any more comments?
Any more comments? Oh,
Richie Holiday's hot.
I'm copying everything for some reason. I don't know why. But, what did I say? But I don't know. Do I say bye?
Yeah.
Bye.
Can you say bye? Can you just give him a wave?
I can give him something else.
Okay, bye.